Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules family. So as you can see by the title, in today's video we will be going in with the P. Louise budget box, and this one is in the month of July. Now you guys probably already know what it is, so let's just get right into it. This is what's inside. And this is the Money Shot palette. I love me some green. If y'all see my wardrobe right now, it's full of plenty green clothes. Like, I had to cop this palette. By the way, if you did not know it, now you know. The P. Louise budget box costs £30 per month. This palette on its own is priced at £47. Now, right off the bat, you already got a big deal with just the palette itself. The next thing that came in the box was this nice eye pencil brush. And this brush is... okay, this one doesn't come with a number, unfortunately. But yeah, it does. This one is number 117. And this is a nice blending brush. Likely cost £10. Once again, this is how it looks. The next thing I got is the Sexy Chili. And I do have this already, so this will be going in my future giveaway. This chili right here is priced at £14, and it does come in the crisp collection that comes with the brush, the flat brush itself, for £18. So you can do the math. For today's video, we're just focusing on the eyes. Look at the greens. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch a few shades, and this is what the inside of the palette looks like. Then when you draw out the bottom part, this is what it looks like. Okay, now to swatch a few shades from this section. Going in with this, just randomly swatching a few shades. Ooh, they are buttery smooth right off the bat. Like, look at those, gorgeous. A few more shades. I feel like this shade right here is so pretty. So this one, the Money Shot, going in with this one, and a dark shade. So we're gonna swatch these ones. Gonna swatch these ones. Look how pigmented they are. Like, wow. Look at that. Taking a few shades from the bottom shelf, and we're going in with this beautiful shade right here. It's called Script. You can see the script right there as well. So soft. Oh my god. And this shade called Performance right here. I love the stamps that's inside, but unfortunately they won't last that long. And even this real shade right here, usually I'm not a big fan of shimmers, but these are phenomenal. And then going with 4K, and look at the 4K already rubbed out. They're super soft. Like, look at that, and look how reflective they are as well. Oh my days. Now this shade right here is my fave. I don't remember which one I swatched. So far, this one is my fave. I think that's Real Love. But let's swatch it together. Look at that. That's like a duochrome. And this one, yeah, this one is like a duochrome to me. And that one as well. Ooh. And look at that. Just, I feel like to be somewhat simple for you guys to be able to follow through if you guys did purchase or did pick up the P. Louise budget box in the screen thing. Also, please do comment down below and let me know if you guys love me to do more intense eye look, or you guys like it very simple for you guys to follow. I'm going to be using this brush today. It is a nice blending brush. I'm not going to do much to my brows, but the first thing I'm going to take is my P. Louise base in Vroomer 3. I'm just going to apply that on the eyelid. Taking this brush right here to just pat this product in. And by the way, you can use the same P. Louise base to carve out your brows. P. Louise bases as an eyebrow carver as well, and also you can use it as concealer and even blush, the colored bases. Shade that I'm going to go in with is Hollywood. P. Louise brush in 268, keeping it real tight. And look how pigmented that is already. Okay. So just patting the shade on the outer corner and just doing a mini C shape, just like that. Then I'm just going to go in the inner corner like so, right here. And I'm just going to try and connect that. Going above my natural eye socket. You see where I'm putting, that's where my eye would fold. I'm trying to go above that, so when it's time to carve, it'll be nice and there's still color. So you see how I've connected that? Pretty simple. And this color is so pretty and easy to blend. And I love this pencil brush because you see how narrow it is. It's easy to blend out. Look at that. This is the shape we are going for to do our spot eye look. So yep. Just doing the same thing on the other side. Taking a brush that's slightly bigger, I'm gonna go in with the, okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade called Showbiz, and that's this color right here. That's gonna go lighter with the color. So what I did was mix Showbiz with a tip of Action to just make it a tad bit darker. I'm going with the shade called Audience, which is this one right here with the mic. And this is the color right here called Audience. This one's a bit dusty. I haven't quite seen any pigment yet, but let's see. Let's work it in. Fame Hungry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take Fame Hungry instead, because I think Audience is a bit too light. It's not giving me the gradients that I need. Yeah, this is it. And then don't be afraid to go back in with the same colors if you're losing color. So far it's just 3 brushes. Yeah, and you don't have to go back in with any more product. Remember, we're going with Fame Hungry. Yep. The more you blend, the nicer it looks. Don't forget that. So as you can see, the 3 brushes that I did go in with started off with a darker shade for depth in color, a little more depth but a bit more diffused, and this one is way more diffused. So you can see right here This is how it's looking so far. Now taking the P. Louise cut carver. Yeah, so this is what it looks inside. You can definitely see I love this product because there is a deep dent inside. I'm gonna use my P. Louise brush, and this is just a flat carver brush. I'm just gonna dip that inside. Then I'm just gonna cleaning this up.
I spoke to the higher ups in London and a personal friend. They're going to see if they can pull some strings to bring them back.
So the purpose of the product that I used before is just to break down the product so I don't have to be tugging. And then I just go in with the wipes to just clean it up. And I'm going to go in with the P. Louise wet set. If you've never seen it, this is what it looks like. I think this is a nice little green. I'm just going to use this as a base before I put on a shimmer in the center. Guys, I'm a bit indecisive because this is the shade Real Love, which I'm legit really in love with. And then we have Hard Cash. Not really feeling that one. I may just go in with this one because I'm really feeling it. Hard to choose, but I feel for a shimmer shade, but I'm not sure which one to go in with. Changed my mind. I'm gonna go in with Big Screen, this shimmer green right here. With the first shade that I used.
But we still love it. Lakshmi, you're the love of my life. Today, tomorrow.
Going in with Girl Film, it's a lighter green. So this is the eye look complete.
Taking that leap may take many more. I love you.
Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on.